Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly game-changing for you. We're going to show you how to create an AI-powered video that will skyrocket your chances of success. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone looking to stand out, this is the video you don't want to miss. So, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's dive right in. The power of AI. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the incredible power of AI. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we do things, and guess what? It can revolutionize your videos too. With AI, you can automate tasks, analyze data, and even create content that's tailored to your audience using the right AI tools. Now, the first step to making an AI-powered video is choosing the right tools. There are so many fantastic AI platforms out there, like OpenAI's GPT-3, that can help you generate content, create voiceovers, and even edit videos seamlessly. The key is finding what works best for your needs. Crafting your message. Next, let's talk about crafting your message. AI can assist in generating ideas and keywords, and even help you outline your content. It's like having a creative partner by your side 24/7. Remember, your message should be clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. Video creation process. Now, onto the exciting part, video creation process. With AI, you can easily create stunning visuals, animations, and graphics. It's as simple as a few clicks, and your video will look like it was made by a professional studio. Personalization. One of the best things about AI-powered videos is personalization. You can tailor your content to each viewer, making them feel like it was made just for them. It's a surefire way to engage your audience, and keep them coming back for more. And optimizing. After you've created your AI-powered masterpiece, don't forget to analyze and optimize. AI can help you track performance metrics, identify areas for improvement, and refine your content strategy. It's all about continuous growth. And there you have it, folks, the secret to making an AI-powered video that will set you up for success. Remember, AI is a tool that can supercharge your creativity and efficiency. So, start experimenting, stay creative, and watch your success soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and entrepreneurs. Until next time, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video. And there you have it.